Before I show you how to create a 3D text like this on your phone, please subscribe to my channels. Subscribe right now to my YouTube channel. Follow me and like me on Facebook and Instagram and every of my social media handle. God bless you. Alright, for some of you start saying, this Pixellab is this boy using all the time. So let me tell you the secret behind it. I have a Pixellab with a custom templates, also with pre-installed fonts. So you can use the font for anything. Pre-installed, you don't need to download any font. All the fonts in the Pixellab is awesome. Even the theme is so cool that we make designing for you very easy. So this is just one of the templates. You can edit any part of it. Some of it may be locked, so you unlock it and then use it. So this is the Pixellab I'm using on my phone, and it's awesome. I just released it now on the Telegram group. So if you need it, you swipe down there and download it and install it. So the funny thing about this font is that through this pre-installed font, you can create logos out of them. There is even icons for social media accounts, all of them, or let me say most of them, but all of them actually. So using this font, you can tweak it around to create your logo, bring out icons, and do a lot of other stuff with your design. But as great as Pixellab is, it has one issue. Pixellab generally not this Pixellab. If you download Pixellab from Google Play Store or from any site, anywhere, it always have this one issue. So, which is Emboss, or maybe Emboss, or whatever the pronunciation is. So, Emboss allows you to turn your ordinary text to a 3D image. Not just any 3D image, but an image that looks almost Photoshop-like. So, making it look so cool, and we can use it for titles and different kind of design. So Pixellab has these features, but always flickers, drawing lines, like as you can see already. So I try to apply it now, and it's just flickering. You can adjust it, reduce the size, and make sure it balances and becomes stable. But at the end of the day, when you try to export, as you are going to see now, you try to export it as image. When you save it as image and save to gallery, then you go and check later and then discover that the one you generated is already having lines at the end of the day. Though you might get lucky sometimes and it's exported very well. Though it just depends on the font you are using, but you can't actually decide which font is good, which font is not good, which size is good, which balancing. So I've exported this several times. You can see 3 times already. So only one is good out of all the 3. So because of these issues, I have other solutions. What I mean by other solutions here is I have 2 solutions to this problem. Generally, what people do is that you try to create a box, a rectangular shape from Pixellab. I first of all deactivate the emboss here, sure. So I'm going to come back to this place and create a rectangular shape. Hide the rectangular shape, and then I will select both the box, the rectangular shape, and the text. Then merge it with this merge button. Click OK, and both of them will be merged. So it will recognize this text as an object, not as text anymore. So when I click on emboss, it should work. But sometimes it doesn't work, as you can see. So most times it works, most times it doesn't work. But this emboss is really great. It's a great effect. If you use it for your title, it's going to make your design look good and very cool. A Photoshop-like design. So let's see if this one is going to work after exporting. Let's see how it's going to look like. So I'm going to click on the save and save it as image. So save to gallery. Whoops, same thing, it doesn't work. So then what's now the final solution I have for you? The final solution is so awesome too. I'll be introducing to you one of the app out there you may not know about, and the name of the application is Textoon, also known as text on image, almost like Pixellab. So Textoon is a Pixellab-like application. It's everything you have in Pixellab that you're going to find on Textoon too. Though the environment may look somehow awkward to you as a new user, but if you walk around it, you'll get used to it. So Textoon is just like Pixellab, though I cannot lie to you, Pixellab is still the best compared to the app usage and everything. And besides, you need internet to start up the app. Unlike Pixellab, you don't need internet to start the app. So once you are in the app, you can turn off your internet, no issue. So let's go ahead and use the emboss effect. I'm going to select a font as bold enough for us to see clearly how emboss is going to reflect in our text. So let's select the white font. I think this is okay. So let's go ahead and activate the emboss and see how it's going to look on our text. So emboss, and we're going to enable it. And so you may not even see it clearly very well until you take a closer look, but the emboss is active and working fine. You can adjust the bevel level and the ambient light, the hardness. It's going to look cool as a text, as a title on any design. So it depends on the background, and it's going to show so well. And even after exporting, you will still find the text on your image and your design very well. So that is emboss on on Textoon. So that's emboss on Textoon. So this is our image is saved and it's still active. So, and even if we check it in the gallery, it's still very much okay. So that's all for today. My name is Paul Victor, and this is Beloved Technology. Thank you. God bless you.